So you got a problem with your rear door in that, see that movement? It doesn't latch in the bottom at all. Already removed the sill plate here. And so we're gonna show what makes that. It's not this piece here, it's actually this piece here, and it's because it's not attached. And we're gonna show what this attaches to and how to fix this, because the piece, she's down in there. All right, now let's see if we can actually see this down in there. See that down in there? That little piece down in there in the hole. That's what we're gonna retrieve, and then we're gonna reattach it. Because guess what? It's closed in down there. There's no way for us to get in there. As you look around in there with me, there's a wall. No way to get in there to get that other than through this hole. All right, so the repair is complete now. It shuts. Pulling pretty hard on that thing. No wiggle, no jiggle. Both doors shut as they should.